So, andito tayo sa Avida Towers, Vireo, Arca South to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, 11th floor, Tower 2, Avida Towers, Vireo, in Arca South. Approximately 23 square meters, and this is around 4.3 million regular price. We can request for discount subject to approval. Pwede natin siya makuha around 3.9 million. And ayan ang view niya, facing Laguna de Bay. Ayun o, kita yung Laguna de Bay and city view. This is as is where is upon turnover and available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment, 80 to 90% balance in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So as you can see, very spacious yung bathroom niya. And it looks like hindi siya nagamit ng previous owner. Good as brand new. Under and over cabinets, sink, and yung cover sa aircon provision hindi siya nagamit or nabuksan. Okay. So if you are interested to make an offer and invest here in Arca South, please message us directly. This is prime location. Magkakaroon po ng subway station sa area na to. Ang amenities nila, swimming pool and adult pool. Parks and playground nila, play zone. Wala silang gym dito. Function room. Andito yung gym nila. Gym. Maliit lang.